Hello, I'm Mariah from FTC Team 12134, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Sheets to organize some scouting data. Now this probably isn't the best video, but here's what I got from our pit scouting at our last qualifier we went to. So as you see, it takes you to this screen, and this was the FTC pit scouting. So we did it, so unlike our last video where we have a few more options of what we have as questions. And there's always some things you might want to know is how to delete extraneous data, like this person who decided that their name Derek was very important to share with us. And so you would like to delete row. You can also insert row or clear row or do whatever. So you can delete it. Now you have the rest of this data. And you might want to rank it by teams, and you can also rank it by, did they knock over the color correctly, did they put the glyph in, or how many glyphs, rows, or columns do they score in a game. So to do that, you would do like Z to A to get the highest at the bottom and the lowest at the top. So 12 and 12, those teams are Enderbot and the Robotic Doges. And you can add averages and do other things, like if you were, say, these were all different scores for the same team, and you wanted to know like an average, you would do an average of J for using the equation bar. You would use average, and that would be from J2 to J11. And that gets the average of how many glyphs everyone says they can get. And there's how many rows, how many columns, and so on. So you can also make the scouting data look pretty by getting rid of, like, you don't need the timestamp, that just tells you when something happens. So if you do just cut, well, not cut, you would actually delete the column. Okay, it won't let me delete the problem because it comes from the form, and the form automatically does that. But say it was a red alliance match. You could make the team and this cell have a red cell by clicking this, or you could highlight this row and decide this row is a red row, or, well, that was text. And then, so you could see what type of row you had. Now, there isn't much I can do with this because of the fact that this isn't much scouting data at all. But you get a spreadsheet, and it shows you every value, and it will tell you the team and how it was scored. So, until next time, have a good competition.